In our experience, we say, there are மூன்று steps to think in English. This is step number 1. Come. Don't come. Please come. Please don't come. Polite request for all subjects. I can come. I cannot come. Can I come? Can I come? When can I come? Daily routine for I, we, you, they etc. I come. I don't come. Do I come? Don't I come? When do I come? Daily routine for he, she, it etc. He comes. He doesn't come. Does he come? Doesn't he come? When does he come? Complement words for I only. I am coming. I am not coming. Am I coming? Am I not coming? When am I coming? Complement words for we, you, they etc. We are coming. We are not coming. Are we coming? Are and we coming? When are we coming? Complement words for he, she, it etc. He is coming. He is not coming. Is he coming? Isn't he coming? When is he coming? Past tense for all subjects verbs. I came. I didn't come. Did I come? Didn't I come? When did I come? Future tense for all subjects verbs. I will come. I will not come. Will I come? Won't I come? When will I come? With this step number 1 is over. Say the above lines 5 to 8 times a day. For 2 days. Next step number 2. We speak in 5 headings. Those are order speeches, request speeches, polite request speeches, speeches using verb words and speeches using complement words. Come in. Please take your seat. I can come. May I come in, sir? You may go. I like to speak in English. I know to speak in English. I have to learn some more. I want some delays. I say the tables daily. I am able to speak in English. I am going to speak in English. I am Kumar. How are you? Where are you coming from? With this step number 2 is over. First, say step number 1, then say the above. Step number 2 also, 5 to 8 times a day. For 2 days. Now step number 3. I get up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I have some water. I have coffee. Then, I take bath. I watch the TV for some time. I have breakfast. I do my homework. I read for some time. Then, I go to school. I got up early today. I brushed my teeth. I had some water. I had coffee. Then, I take bath. I watched the TV for some time. I had breakfast. I did my homework. I read for some time. Then, I went to school. I will get up early tomorrow. I will brush my teeth. I will have water. I will have coffee. Then, I will take bath. I will watch the TV for some time. I will have breakfast. I will do my homework. I will read for some time. I will go to school. With this step number 3 is over. First, say step number 1. Then step number 2. Then as usual step number 3. Say all these 5 to 8 times a day for 2 days. When you do this practice, you feel a little confidence that you know to speak in English. After then, you begin to speak in English thinking in English. When you are through with the English tenses, you will definitely get the thinking in English skill. Do the practice daily. Success guaranteed. Congratulations. Thank you. In our experience, we say, there are